Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing a digital product that promises to help you unlock passive profits with just a few clicks. It's called Viral Cash Machine. Now, if you've ever tried making money online, you know how overwhelming it can be. Funnels, traffic, tech setups, it's a lot. Viral Cash Machine is designed to eliminate all that stress. It's a plug-and-play system that helps beginners start earning online without needing any prior experience or technical skills. Features and benefits. So what exactly do you get inside Viral Cash Machine? First off, done-for-you funnels. These are pre-built, optimized funnels that you can launch instantly. No coding, no design, just plug in and go. You also get step-by-step video training. This is huge for beginners. The creators walk you through everything from setup to scaling, so you're never left guessing. Then there's the built-in traffic strategies. You don't need a social media following or ad budget. The system shows you how to drive traffic from scratch. And the best part? Zero monthly fees. Unlike other platforms that charge you every month, this is a one-time investment. Plus, it's mobile-friendly, so you can manage everything from your phone even while commuting or chilling at home. These features make it super beginner-friendly and fast to implement. You could literally be up and running in under 30 minutes. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the good and the not so good. Pros: super easy to use even for total beginners. No need for prior experience or tech skills. Affordable one-time price. Includes traffic training, which is often sold separately. Quick setup, less than 30 minutes. Cons: limited customization for advanced marketers. You'll still need to set up a basic email account to get started. So while it's perfect for newbies, seasoned marketers might find it a bit too simplified. User reviews. Now, let's talk results. According to the creators, users are seeing real success. Take Priya from Hyderabad. She made her first $100 online within 48 hours of using Viral Cash Machine. No website, no paid ads. Just followed the steps and launched. Or James from Florida, who said he finally broke the cycle of buying courses that never delivered. This one actually worked. These stories show that it's not just theory, it's helping real people earn real money. Conclusion: so, who's this for? If you're tired of spinning your wheels, trying to figure out how to make money online, and you want a simple, fast, and affordable way to start, Viral Cash Machine is for you. Personally, I think it's one of the most beginner-friendly systems I've seen in a while. It cuts through the noise and gives you a clear path to results. And here's the kicker: there's a limited time bonus and a refund policy, so you're covered if it's not for you. Click the link below to check it out and grab your copy before the offer expires.